Hey guys, Todd here. This is the free video update for Friday, August 15th, monthly options expiration. And we want to talk to you about just where the NASDAQ's going. Okay, NASDAQ kind of declined from the July 24th high. Everyone was getting pretty excited on the bear side. Volatility spiked up to about 18 or so. And if you're following along, we were saying, guys, don't get too excited. In fact, we're buying into the lows. We were selling option premium by selling puts in the downside. We did it in the Qs. We did it in IWM. We still have those positions on. So we're up off the lows. Where do we go now? Well, if you weren't selling that escalated option premium with us, you've got to kind of switch your tactic now. The volatility index has come off. We've come from 18 down to like 13 on the close today as stocks have risen. So where do we go next? All right, so this is the NASDAQ, and I want to draw your attention to two key fib levels. First will be off of that July 24th high. Here's the move everyone got all excited about. And then we've risen as we'd expect. We're at the 786 retracement. That's kind of your fib resistance level of last resort. Okay, this is the last chance it has to hold before we break out to new highs. So we're at it right now. We closed at it just actually like a point or two above it. So, okay, we're going to think about it here for a little while. Eventually, I think it breaks. The next fib level that I want to bring your attention to is we are moving higher in a five-wave motive pattern. That is the same concept we talked about last night, which is an Elliott trend. Typically, that third wave is going to be larger than the first wave. That's your middle breakout wave. That's when a lot of kind of buying interest comes into the market. So you want to go like this, ratio analysis, 3v1, and okay. The 100% level, this is color-coded in blue. This is your minimum level. This is your down, this is the least of the lower level that we should target. So 39.63, right on top of the 786 retracement. No surprise that price kind of gravitated right to that level today. If we're going to continue higher tomorrow, which options expiration has a tendency to grind higher, I do believe we might get up and test this next cluster of fib resistance. This is a 100% retracement since July 24th, which would just be a retest of the old highs. And it's also just below the 1.618 level of wave 3, which is ongoing compared to wave 1. This is the real upside target right here, right at the 4,000 level. I don't know if we're going to get it tomorrow. 30-point up day would be pretty large on the NASDAQ for Friday and options expiration in the middle of August. But next week, we're going to be actively targeting this cluster of fib resistance. We then pull back in wave 4 before finally cruising up above 4,000 in the wave 5 move. So you've got to shift your tactics, guys. If you weren't selling option volatility at the lows, you can't sell it now. You have to be buying premium. Likely we'll be doing at the money calls by pairing it up with out of the money calls, creating the spread up against your Elliott and fib objectives as we just laid out. All right, guys, good luck. Hope that helps. Happy options expiration Friday, and see you on the next video update.